Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see C++ IO operators. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. IO operator stands for input-output operator. IO operator are of two types, cin and cout. Cin stands for console input, cout stands for console output. Cin is used to take input from the user, while cout is used to print a specific output over a screen. Both have a different functionality, and if you want to use cin and cout in your program, you have to include iostream header file at the top. Now we are going to see cin and cout operator with the help of one basic example. Now as you can see on your screen, we have taken two variables a and b and the data type is int. While cin is used to take input of variable a and b from the user, while cout will print the addition of a and b over a screen. So this line indicates the declaration of variable. With the help of this line, user will give input to the variable a and b, and the cout operator will perform a functionality, addition functionality on both the variable a and b and print output over a screen. So when we run this code, you can see it is asking for an input from the user. As we have used the cin functionality, we have to give some input to the variable a and b. So I will give 5 and 10. And when I press enter, you can see it cout has performed addition functionality a plus b, where 5 plus 10 equals to 15, and cout will print the 15 as an output over a screen. So in this way, IO operator work in C++. This is the basic video regarding IO operator. You can try this functioning in your C++ compiler, and when you try, it will clear your concepts regarding C++ IO operator. If you want to go through IO operator and if you want to learn stuff, you can. I will put the link of this article in the description box below. There we have explained about IO operator, what are IO operators, and here we have given example also. You can try this example also in your C++ compiler. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.